Hey guys, just want to share with you my experience with this Goldblatt Masonry hand tool set. I had this thing for 4 years now. I actually used this during the end of COVID to build one parking spot in front of my driveway. This thing comes with a nice carrying case. The carrying case is actually 16-inch long by 9-inch wide and also a 12-inch top to bottom. And I really like this case because this is actually a really nice thick case. So if you look right here, this is a really thick canvas and it has some steel frame on the mount so that it will keep its shape. So let me go ahead and show you what is inside. This one is your 16-inch finishing trowel. This is your gouging trowel. This is a 15-inch wood float. This is the 16-inch aluminum float. This is a stainless steel groover, your stainless steel edger, and it also comes with your wire twister for your rebar. So if you look at the stainless steel tools, they are actually rust resistant. As long as you clean them up properly after you use them, I think you'll be able to use this for a long time. And you can see right now, it is built solid and I really like the way it feels. And if you look right here, this is your alloy float. No rust as well. The only thing that builds rust is my finishing trowel and my groover. Maybe it's because of the way I handle it. Because when I first used this thing, I actually let the cement to dry out on both of this side right here. My thinking is I'm gonna use it again, so there's no point of cleaning them. But actually that is a mistake. So after you use it, do not just let it sit around. You wanna either wash it right away or at least put it in a bucket of water so that the cement doesn't dry out on the material. After I removed the cement, they are actually still good and I was able to still use it. And you can see the rust actually did not continue. So I really like this unit right here. As long as you take care of them, you should be able to use this product for a long time.